Top Resorts in Tahiti, Part 1. Lu Tahiti by Pearl Resorts. Set amongst tropical gardens, alongside a beautiful black sand beach, Lu Tahiti by Pearl Resorts features an infinity pool, a day spa, and a health club. Guests enjoy free unlimited internet access and free daily activities such as Tahitian dancing, yoga, and aqua aerobics. Each air-conditioned room at Tahiti Pearl Beach offers stunning views over Matavai Bay from a private patio deck. Free satellite TV is provided, and some rooms include a hot tub on the balcony. Guests have free access to a 24-hour business center. Lu Spa Day Spa offers massages, body treatments, and a spa pool. The fitness center boasts stunning ocean views. The sauna and steam rooms operate daily. Haitai Mehana Waterfront Restaurant serves a mix of Tahitian, Southeast Asian, and Mediterranean cuisines. Guests can enjoy tropical cocktails and views over Matavai Bay at the Bay Bar. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.